The financial industry has experienced an explosion in financial data over the past years, and at the same time, artificial intelligence is playing a more important role than ever in finance. The Python quants have designed a comprehensive online training program in Python for asset management, algorithmic trading, and computational finance to address these recent developments and challenges. This program helps you to master systematically and comprehensively the Python programming skills that quant developers, quant researchers, algorithmic traders, and asset managers need today. The Platinum package gives you access to all our current online training resources with 250+ hours of recorded instruction, 1,750+ pages of PDF, HTML documentation, 20,000+ lines of Python code, and 250+ Jupyter notebooks. You can compose your own study plan, gain immediate access to a ton of resources, and also 24/7 access to our user forum and Discord server. The enrollment process is super easy. You want to master Python for finance? You value full flexibility and want to get the best deal? Then enroll in our self-paced Platinum package and supercharge your career in finance now.